Hello everyone and welcome to Testerum. In this short tutorial I'll show you how to download and set up Testerum for Windows operating system. There are a few simple steps to follow. First of all, open your browser, navigate to testerum.com, go to download. Here you can choose to download either an exe file or an archive. Just click on the installer.exe. Once it's downloaded, click on the file and an installation guide will pop up. Now just click on next, set the location where you want to install Testerum. Next, wait a few seconds until it's installed. Finish. Now go to start and type Testerum. Once the Testerum server is completely ready, click on Open in Browser. At this point we are done with the installation. That's it. Check out our other videos to get started. Thanks for watching.